Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Convertible. It has Z51 performance, the black aluminum wheels, the high wing, the Stringray R appearance package, and is painted in ArcticWhite with the adrenaline red seats and stitching. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So here's our trunk lid. You can see it's all nice and tidy. Inside the trunk, we got the cargo net here. We do have the carpeted mats here with the red stitching. And then back here, we got lots of storage here. So you can fit some golf clubs back there, some shopping items, whatever you want to do, you can take this car. Here is our interior, so the black interior there, and here's our engine. So it's a mid-engine 6.2 liter V8 producing 495 horsepower. It's paired to this 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. We got the carbon flash Stingray, so we got the badge pack there. We have the black rear spoiler done in the high wing style, and then down below we have the NPP performance exhaust, which is an active exhaust system, so you can make the exhaust loud or quiet. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels. So we got these beautiful Trident wheels done in the black finish. It's an aluminum wheel, Michelin tires all the way around, a 305 30 ZR20 in the rear. We got the black lug nuts, the black brake calipers, and of course the Z51 performance brakes. All right, we'll show you the front wheel here. So the front, we're running a 245 35 ZR19, and those black calipers say Corvette and Z51 on them. All right, we'll make our way to the interior. So this is a 3LT top trim level. You're gonna get authentic leather door panels. It feels great, smells great. We got the nice adrenaline red stitching, the Bose Performance Series sound system, so 14 speakers. We have memory package for your passenger, power windows, locks, and door release. Dash over here, authentic leather on the dash as well. The red stitching is on the dash. We got book there. The A-pillar visors, B-pillar here, and as well as the roof liner is done in the Alcantara, being a 3LT. Down below, we got the upgraded Corvette floor liners here. You can see it's nicely molded. 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar. We'll scan the seat here. So again, 3LT Napa leather, so the soft leather GT2 seats. You got the exposed carbon fiber, the Corvette flags, and that beautiful seatbelt loop. We got black seat belts. In between, you got the speaker grill there, and the wireless charging station for your cell phone. All right, closing that door. We'll start back here, show you profile that high wing there, coming down the car here. There's your red seats, they make an impact. We got the side mirrors there, body color with the signals built in, carbon flash around the venting there. There's your black wheels from this angle. We got the Stringray R down below. And then we got the rockers panels on the side there. Here's our front splitter. We got the front cameras here. And our frunk here. Inside the front, we got more storage. So you got a trunk in the rear and the front. We got the plate mounts there for the front. A 12-volt socket there to charge your battery with your trickle charger. All right, we'll close this up here, and LED projector headlights. Look at this paint, ArcticWhite, beautiful paint, and it's got the Corvette Racing hood stripe. So cool. So this car's already been 5-stage polished by our team, so just finished, and you can see it is beautiful. There's our wheels there. I think I do see one little mark on the bumper there, nothing major, but I'm just pointing it out to you. Here's our wheels on this side. Back to our doors, so again, authentic leather, the red stitching. The mirrors, we got the blind spot monitor. They are power folding mirrors, so you can see it come in, now press the button again and it goes back out. Power mirrors, power windows, power convertible hardtop, as well as the rear window there. Locks, door release, and your frunks. Here's our dash on this side. So we got heads-up display there, so it projects onto the windshield. Again, a leather dash. Door jambs on this side. Kick plate looks good. Your pedals, Corvette floor liners, 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar, and GT2 seats and Napa leather. Beautiful carbon fiber there. And we'll jump in the car. All right, close up the door here. So we got the nice stitching here again. Here's our vent, so nice sleek design. Heads-up display controls. Down here, dash stimulates, parking brake there in an electronic style. Power tilt and telescopic wheel. Headlight controls. We got paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Here's your Z button for your performance. Cruise control, audio on both sides here. Heated steering wheel there. Bluetooth, arrow keys there, and your windshield wiper settings. We'll start it up. It's a push button start. You got the red start button there. So that's been upgraded. We'll zoom back out here. So we got the flat top or the flat bottom. You can see that red center point there, as well as all that beautiful red stitching. Leather horn cover here with the Corvette flags. Coming into the gauge cluster here, it is all digital. Mileage 14,989 kilometers. You're also going to see the red carbon fiber around the gauges there. Up here we got the universal garage door opener. We got a light sensitive mirror, which is also a camera mirror when the roof is on. Down here we got the 8-inch touchscreen. You're going to see we have it's Google based, so we got Google Maps there. We got your audio here, your phone controls. Has Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. Come back here. We got cameras here, so we got your front cameras. Performance data recorder, your climate controls. I'll throw it in reverse so you can see we got reverse camera there. Down here, your automatic shifter, as well as traction control and your front cameras. Here's your mode selector here. And then down here, we got your climate control tower with heated and ventilated seats. This is all leather, so we got the cup holders here. Here's your console lid. I'll lift that up, put my hand in, you can see the depth of it. Media ports there. I'll throw on the headlights here, and I'll show you the different drive settings here. So I'll turn the dial here. So you got weather mode to start with, my mode so you can customize it, tour mode, sport mode, and track mode. So you can see it's changing the metrics here and there, so pretty cool. We'll go ahead and open up the door here. I'll make sure we give it a few revs here. One more time. All right. It's got a nice rock to it when they hit the throttle there. It's got tons of power. Here's our button here. I'll just pull that up and watch the top function here. So fully power, all I have to do is hold the button. It's got the body colored top, and I'll show you the liner there. So again, all Alcantara. The windows will go up and it'll let me know once it's complete here. And it's complete. We'll shut the door. Let's make our way to the front, show you the headlights on the car. So there it is there. And we'll spin it around. Show you the LED tail lights next, and the exhaust at idle here. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Convertible. It's got Z51, high wing, Stingray R appearance, and is painted in Arctic white with the adrenaline red seats and stitching. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.